This is feedback from Rahaf R on IC1. Generally, I thought your essay was really good. You just made a few little mistakes that made a big difference, that made a huge impact. You start off well here, nice, good start. But I think you could make this more general, meaning don't just give this is like giving advice. Parents should restrict. That's something that you would say in the conclusion. Talk more about facts, what's happening nowadays, what's going on. SP means spelling. You spelled restrict wrong. Like here, for example, you say children are wasting their time. That's something that goes in the body, not in your intro. This is like a point that you would make. And it's not something that you would have in your intro, which has mostly just facts. There's a disconnect between here, background information and thesis. So make sure you connect those two. Got a good topic sentence. Missing a word here. Make sure you figure out what that is. You can remove this word. Generally pretty good in this one. This sentence here, parents should put due time for playing on the phone. This is a conclusion type of thing. So a concluding sentence is just restating your topic sentence or writing it backwards. So it's not writing something that goes in the conclusion. Second body paragraph, a lot of the same, a lot of good stuff. Again, here at the end, I thought this was something that would be better in the conclusion, not in your body paragraphs. And this is a big mistake right here. You didn't restate your thesis, which brought your grade down on the conclusion way far. And basically just writing your thesis backwards. That should be here. Make those changes, upload into port 1, week 9.